Hi guys. All right. So this one I wanted to go over because it's a question that yes, I get frequently. How do I maximize my net proceeds? So I want to put together 7 tips on how to save money when selling your home. First one, price your home correctly from the start. Overpricing your home can lead to it being on the market a bit longer. And what is happening is days on market can play a factor into how people perceive your property. When it's brand new to the market, people don't know how the market's going to treat it. But if it's staying on the market for a little bit, they're going, well, other people are not offering on this. So what's wrong with it? So they start looking at a different light, right? So price your home correctly is going to, for the most part, allow you to maximize your sales price. Number 2, stage your home. Okay, now staging your home can be 2 different things, and there well actually 3 different things. Now, if you already have furniture in there, sometimes just decluttering, moving things around, that can help out. Another one is if the property is empty, sometimes it's bringing items into the property to stage it. And then third one, maybe you don't have the financial capacity to actually physically stage it, but you can virtually stage the property. Sometimes the visual component to see, okay, well, this is where the couch goes, this is where the TV goes. It can allow that emotional aspect for the prospective buyer to say, okay, I can live here. But sometimes if there's nothing there, it's harder for them to like figure out where they should put things. 3, big repairs. Right, so if there's foundation items to the property, maybe a roof that really looks shabby, I mean, items like that should be taken care of if you have the financial capacity to do it. If not, there are some loan types that we can help you out with to help you through that process. But you got to think that most individuals buying a property don't know what the price of the repairs are, and sometimes that number can jump up to double, some cases even triple of what's actually going to cost to do. So those big items you really want to make sure you take care of. And then photography. I mean, photography is a huge thing. If you have someone that you're talking to that's saying, hey, I'm going to take pictures with my phone, be hesitant about that. Professional photography is going to be a big thing. And if you're watching this video and you're looking to purchase, sometimes you can kind of tell that taking professional photos make the property look, I mean, sometimes better than it is. So professional photos are a really huge thing. And then based off the property too, you can do the 3D, you can do the videos. All right, so we're gonna finish off strong with 5, 6, and 7. All right, so number 5, have your realtor use social media. People are on Facebook, Instagram, I mean, Google, I mean, all these different platforms. So instead of just basically posting it on the MLS and having it syndicate all these platforms, have them put on some other platforms like social media, maybe prospect the community, get people aware of kind of what's going on. So active prospecting can really help out, get more eyes on the property, especially if it's a colder market. Negotiating closing costs, right? To save money on the process. So there are customary things that play out throughout the escrow process. When you get offers, I mean, you can negotiate back and forth on items that maybe you want the buyer to take on, right? So negotiating, kind of going back and looking at those breakdown of title, escrow, home warranty, and items like that can help you save a couple dollars. And the last one is a leaseback. Sometimes you have the ability to negotiate a rent back, and sometimes at no cost. So maybe it's a couple weeks, a month, 2 months. Based off of the buyer's loan program, there is usually flexibility on that. So maybe it might save you a little bit of a rent and allow you to kind of stay on the property until you actually close on the property. So know what options are available to maximize the sales price and save as much money in your pocket, because again, you probably want to net the most money possible. And if you have any particular questions about your situation, feel free to give myself or my team a call, 858-345-7829.